Hi guys, welcome to Condi Press. Today I will teach you how to create a CV or resume with your mobile app for free. This app is totally free and it's interesting. There are different type of template and design of CV that you can use. Let's assume you are a student, or you just finished your NYC, or you are looking for a job and you want to create your CV. This is the best video for you. So if you find this interesting, click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell button so you'll be the first to notify when I do my next video. Yeah, so guys, let's get started. I'm on Android, so I will locate my Play Store. If you're on iOS, you can locate your App Store. But this time around, I will focus on Android. So in the Play Store, you search for this app called Intelligent CV. Intelligent CV. So I will just search for Intelligent CV. I've already installed the app, so I will just open it. If you have not installed it, install your own and accept the term and condition of the app. So in the app now, you click on create. So under create, you click on create profile. Yeah, this is where you're going to insert all your personal information, your working experience, every necessary thing that you want to put in your CV. So the personal information, your name, your phone number, your email, your photo. The same thing, your education. You enter your education here, the course, the study. So what I will do is that we insert all my information and get back to you as soon as possible. But one of the good aspects of this app is that it has a sample. So you can just click on a sample at this side. So you can see different type of a sample, how it will look like. Everything, all sections have their example, personal information, help. The help now we tell you the tips and the do's and don'ts, like how you can create a better CV. There is advice there. So let me just fill my own and I'll be right back. Yes, I fill all my information. So you now click on this place called View CV. So the app have an inbuilt ad, like ad. Just find a way to exit that ad. Sometimes it can be difficult for you to see it. So just click on View CV. Wow, hola! These are different template, a sample of CV that you can use. Wow, haha! This app is very, very good, and you can click on professional, modern. There are different type. Oh, I like this. Let me check it out. Oh, it's loading. Wow, see it. My CV up and ready. Everything is offline, like offline. You can do it offline without internet. Just install the app and you can download it to your phone. Like I'm downloading it to my phone. I cannot share it on WhatsApp, anywhere. Share it to your mail or share it to anywhere you want to share it to. The app still have some interesting features that I would like to show you. So like, let's assume I'm already here. Let's assume I have some other section I want to add to the CV. Like maybe I have an award, I want to add some language I know. You can come to add section, that is add more section. Here you can see like I have publication I want to add, you can on the publication. So there are different examples. This is how it will look like. So the same thing, everything is easy, super cool. You can add your publication here. Every other thing you want to add, click on add more section. You can on it, like language, maybe you know some other language that you want to add. Language, see it now, example of the language, maybe you know English, Japan, and some other aspect. So this app is super cool and it's interesting. So if you have not downloaded it, go and download it now and build that CV. Use it to apply for that job. Like this app is super cool. So you can still add your cover letter, all necessary things. And then I wish you best of luck in your next application. I believe this is going to be useful for you. Yes, let's assume that you have already exported the CV and you want to locate it in your mobile phone. So just minimize the app, locate your file, and then in your file, locate the system, like the app automatically create a folder called Intelligent CV. That's where you can locate all the CV you have you have in your system. So easy. Like this, the one I've already renamed. I'll just open it. See, super cool. Wow. This is my CV. You can share it, print it, or use it to do anything you want to do it. Yeah, this app is very interesting and is super cool. If you find it interesting, click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell button so you'll be the first to notify when I publish my next video. Comments, useful. You can find the link to the app on the comment section. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.